Americans can expect to see a new COVID-19 vaccine produced by Novavax hitting the market this week, following approval from the CDC and FDA last week. It's the first vaccine campaign since the public health declaration ended in May, and the government no longer buying and distributing vaccines to the public.
We have shifted to what is referred to as commercialization of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Pfizer, Moderna, and Novavax listing their prices in September, a price most Americans with insurance won't have to worry about.
The problem is for people who are uninsured and don't have insurance coverage, a vaccine would not be free to them absent a federal program to pay those costs.
The Biden administration announcing the temporary Bridge Access Program in order to cover uninsured Americans through December 2024. The program relying on vaccine manufacturers to offer the vaccines for free and the government covering the cost to administer them. Moderna, Pfizer, and Novavax saying they'll work to provide the vaccine at no cost for Americans in need.
Putting a price tag on a vaccine for urban populations, it's not going to be for the greater good here for these populations.
As of October 2023, 81% of Americans have received at least one dose, but an August CDC survey saw only 42% saying they definitely or probably would get a COVID shot this fall. Dr. Mark Sala co-directs the Comprehensive COVID Center at Northwestern Medicine. He cares for patients with long COVID.
We have not seen a decline necessarily in the individuals that we are referred to us, which I think is a statement on its own.
Sala saying the misinformation surrounding vaccines is disheartening.
It would be nice to get a little bit more public support and scientific support about the idea that this is still a real problem.
To find your nearest COVID-19 vaccination site, visit vaccines.gov for Bridge Access Program participants and availability. Luis Castaneda, Medill News Service.